welcome to Crafty Becky Tutorials. I'm Crafty Becky. In today's video, we're going to be making a birthday invite with Canva AI. Canva AI is a new tool that was unveiled at the Canva keynote, and it's really amazing. I can't wait to show you everything about it. Make sure to subscribe, part of the Crafty family, for more AI tutorials. If you're already a Crafty family member, give yourself a big hug from me. Let's go and get started. So this is Canva AI, and these are all the things you could do, and plus more. You can do lots of different things with Canva AI. You can create animated videos, you can create images, you can create code, design, organic juice bar code. You can even do code like a sorting activity for the class, like a game. You can make videos. It's just such an amazing tool, and images of all kinds. And it's just so useful, and you could come here to get started with a design that's already done, or you could make it different with your own prompt. So you come here to Canva AI, and the way I found Canva AI was I went to the home screen, and then it said discover your year in design. Then I went over to Canva AI and clicked on it, then it expanded into this prompt window. So I'm going to click design. Now wait a minute, I'm going to click cards and invitations. Design cards and invitations. The format I want to do, probably a card. And I say, create me a birthday card for Becky's. I'm going to be 44th birthday. It's happened in February 20th. Where am I going to have my birthday? Let me think where I want to have it. I like going to Dave & Buster's. The Dave & Buster's is fun. So I don't know, February, maybe the 21st, because that's a Saturday, the 21st. So it's happened February 21st at Dave & Buster's. Dave & Buster's. There will be food and games provided. Please RSVP, and then I'll probably edit it later to include my address and number and everything like that. And then have the invitation be, let me think, what kind of theme? Maybe like Valentine's themed, with and koala bears. Have it look very, very cute and festive, because I love koala bears. So let's go ahead and hit OK. So now it's getting some super cute and festive invitation ideas, mapping out design elements. So it may take some time to work, so just be patient. You may want to get like a drink or use the restroom while it's working, because it could take a while. Oh look, it made cards with my birthday on it. So Becky's 44th birthday. Enjoy games, food, laughter with friends. February 21st at Dave & Buster's. RSVP. Oh, it does such a great, oh, I like this one. Cute call party, let's celebrate. Join us for Becky's birthday. Yeah, that could be cute. Let me see which one I like. 44th birthday. Yeah, I kind of liking this. I like that image. What else? Let me see what else. They're sitting in the tree, but it doesn't quite look like they're sitting in the tree. And this one, it looks like they're. Yeah, that's actually a cute image too. And then this one was. I like the balloons. Let me go ahead and click this one. And then use Canva editor. Yeah, now we can edit it to make it more unique. So let me get rid of this, and let's put Becky's 44th. Oh, I don't want to say my age really. Becky's birthday, and then this is in a frame. So it looks like this is an image, but it's in a frame. So if you don't like that frame, you could always insert another frame. So you would go to Elements, and you would go to Elements here, and you go to Frames. And we could put another shape, like there's basic shapes. you know, like a heart shape, you know. like a heart shape. So if I did a heart shape, I would right click to attach image. Then I would scoot it over here. You see what I did there? So let me show you again. So if it's in a frame already from Canva AI and we want another frame, you click on it, you go to detach image. You see that detach image? You click and it detaches the image, then we could scoot the image over into the new frame. I kind of like it in that frame because it's showing the heart balloons. Let me go ahead and you can even enlarge the image too. So what I did was double click on the frame and now I can move the image more to what I want. Might even just have the image be detached and not in a frame. I think that would actually look better. Then it could show all the cute details. That is like so adorable. I love that. It could be very cute. So then, and then I would say location, Dave and Buster's. I've had my birthday at Dave and Buster's before and I really like it. It's like it's like a video game place for kids. I mean, it's like a video game place. It's like a Chuck E. Cheese's for adults. And Saturday, February 21st at maybe maybe just do like 12 p.m. CST. And then if you think that's too close together, you could do line spacing and move it down a little bit. And then I would go RSVP at, then I'll put my number, so like 999. So you would, but I would replace that with my real number. I just don't want you guys to call me. So then make that bold. And I make this, because that's kind of hard to read on the purple. So I'm going to find a color here. Get the peachy pink color, and I'm going to use that. And I don't want this color, so I'm going to click that. And I'm going to go over here to the red shade. I think that would look nicer. And I kind of want to make that bold. There we go. I think that would look good. And I would probably put more information about it here. Bold that. And instead of gifts, I want them to donate to Unbound. It's a charity for human trafficking victims. So you go in lieu of gifts. Is that how you say that? Lieu. Lieu of gifts. Let me see, make sure. In lieu of gifts. Oh, it's lieu. Okay, L-I-E-U. Yeah. In lieu of gifts, please don't donate to Unbound. Let's see what the exact address is. So I donated to them yesterday, actually. Unboundnow.org. So it's a good charity to heal against human trafficking. I'll have a link to Unbound in the description. Because DFW is like a human trafficking hub. A lot of people don't know that. So Unbound Now helps protect women and children, and also men too, from human trafficking. It's very dangerous what's been going on. So always be aware of your surroundings. If something doesn't feel right, always trust your instincts. So I'm going to say that. Yeah, and that could be my card. So I'll probably put some more stuff about it, you know. Yeah, but I think that could be very cute. We can also do like a backside if we wanted to. So it would print front and back. And then the back I would pick Magic Media. And I would create an image with koala bears and hearts in a watercolor media style for a Valentine's Day themed birthday party. And then generate images. So now it's making, AI images for the back of the card. Oh, that looks like that might be a acrylic style. I kind of like that better. Let's do acrylic. I think that looks more similar to acrylic actually, because the watercolor didn't really match well. So generate again. Yeah, I like that. This one's cute. Happy birthday. That one is I like that. And then the inside. So I enlarge the image. And let me do this. Then you can also put a framer on the image. So I'm going to click that and go here and get like the red. And there's like my frame. Yeah, so that will be my birthday card. I'll probably put more information here, like more private information for the party. Probably scoot this up so we have more space for the location and everything. Let me go ahead and, so I think it needs more line space. As you could see, using Canva AI for birthday cards or just about anything is really quick and easy. Make sure to subscribe to part of the Crafty family, and don't forget to check out thebusinessbeachclub.com. The Business Beach Club has everything you need to create and start your own digital product business, such as printables, courses, and spreadsheets. It'll be in the description box of this video. Well, have a great day. Goodbye!